there we go. So the head's already been switched. Maybe the car runs? No, no way! Damn, the chassis is actually pretty minty. Mr. Spoon, the man himself. No way. Oh. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are outside of the shop in the sun. We're actually at a friend's shop. This is Coda's shop. He has an S15 that unfortunately he rolled, but we can take this piece out of here and make it work in our car, we believe. What do you reckon, Spoon?
Make it work.
Make it work?
Yeah, I can make it work.
Yeah, so this is kind of us trying to get the job finished faster. And if this works, then we're good. If it doesn't work, then we can get another one still from Rohab, which is just gonna take a couple extra days. But hopefully we'll be able to reshape this a little bit. You can see everything's kind of kinked up, but hopefully a hammer should be good.
If it doesn't work, get a bigger hammer.
That's right, we'll be good. All right, let's start chopping. Just like that.
A little bit of rust, but no, we can't patch.
Yeah, no, we can definitely fix that. I think that's workable. What do you reckon?
No, we're good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah, look at it on the inside.
Yeah, it's got a little
it's already been patched before too.
Yeah.
Interesting.
We'll clean it up nice and fix it.
Yeah, for sure.
Pretty good.
All right, let's go. You're the man. Thank you so much, dude.
Yeah.
A piece of your S15.
I have a piece of my demon, unkillable demon S15.
All right, we'll have to take that to the temple and do some Shinto stuff to it. Take all the bad luck out of it. This is your new rig though, right?
Yeah.
Nice big turbo, looks good. Hell yeah, dude. I like the blue tinted lights, that's sick.
Yeah, where's your street S15?
All right, stop it. This guy's been harassing me. He's like, you're never gonna finish it. I'll have it finished soon, don't worry. One car at a time, one car at a time. See you, dude.
A few moments later.
We're back at the shop. Spoon didn't waste any time. Already getting this thing lined up. What do you reckon?
Not bad. It'll work.
It'll work? We don't need to source another one?
Oh.
You happy with that?
A little patch here.
Yeah. That's not gonna be bad at all.
No, I cleaned it up pretty quick.
And we can just use a bit of steel from some other panel we've cut out of the car to put into there. Not bad. That's kind of cool. Dude, this thing, I'm gonna have to call it Patchy or something. It's cool that we got a piece of Coda's old rolled S15 in this now. Not bad. Dang, it's finally coming together. Taking a quick break to get Spoon a drink out of our vending machine. Now, everyone always goes crazy about Pocari Sweat in Japan and how awesome it is and everything. And like, yeah, that's a great drink. I agree. But one of the most underrated drinks that you can get out of a vending machine in Japan is the peach nectar. This stuff is amazing. Let's see what his reaction is.
Right there.
I got you some peach nectar. Let me know what you think. Cost about 80 cents US out of the vending machine. Too sweet or?
No, it's not too sweet at all. Give it a 7.
You have 7? All right,
7.
out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I'd give it a 9 personally, but okay, all right. He just said 7.5. He just said 7.5. Growing up and maturing means that you level up from ASMR coffee time to ASMR peach nectar time, so. Oh, that's so good. Yo, Spoon really outdid himself. Look at this, you can't even tell he was there. Looks incredible. Man, you killed it, Spoon. All right, we're kind of close. It's 7 o'clock. It's time to take you to Daikoku, PA for the first time.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Quick reminder guys that from when this video goes live, there's only going to be 1 week left for you to get your hands on the brand new V2 Resurrecting the Dead Abandoned S15 shirt. That is right here now. It's a limited edition, pre-order only, and it's only available to the end of next week, which is when Drift Matsuri ends. If you don't get your order in within the next week, you will never be able to get it again. We are never selling this shirt again. It's something special that we wanted to do now that the Abandoned S15 project is back on track, and we knew you guys would love it. So make sure you head to SAMMIT.net right now, secure the shirt, as well as throw a few other things in the cart to make sure that that little bit expensive international shipping, because we send everything with FedEx and DHL out of Japan to you worldwide, is worth it. Seriously, just throw a couple extra things, you won't see the shipping price go up. That though guys, let's get back to the video and the S15. We're rolling into Daikoku. Your first Daikoku meet.
I'm actually hyped.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be good. This is the famous sign. Follow the sign to the P, the parking area. Otherwise, you'll get off and then you'll have to get back on and pay $50 in tolls to come back. Oh yeah, it's pretty full. Dang. Oh my gosh, yeah, there's a crowd of people.
Yes.
Dang. Good.
Came on a good night.
Definitely. First impressions, Spoon.
This is the most Americans in one place that I've seen since I've been here.
It didn't used to be like that, but it is still special, and a lot of people still show up. We're gonna go check out some cars in a little bit. May's rocking up with Hugo, which should be a good time. Yeah. Let the little man see some cars. Look who we got here. Hugo's out. What? Camera? She's pointing at the camera. Hugo, what's your favorite car? S15? He's in his happy place right now. Look, the new Z. Every car noise, he turns around. Loves it. Ooh, look at the underglow. Look at the underglow. Yeah. What do you think, Spoon?
Happy place.
Yeah. Checking out some of the S15s here, and I spotted this, which it's a really nice pearl orange that kind of looks pink in the light. Yashio Factory intercooler coupler. Love to see it. What do you think, Hugo? Yeah, I agree. Nice S13. He's just waving at everyone. Yeah. Is he jamming out to the music?
Come on, Spoon, you gotta hold Sam's the other hand. You guys need to.
15s everywhere. Are 15s like the Japanese Civic?
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. There's so many of them.
I want one.
That's a nice four-door.
Not a fan of 34 4-door. Just said it.
All right. I actually kind of like the eyelets on this EK.
Oh? And I've only seen one Civic and one Integra.
Really? What do you think of the eyelets? I kind of dig it.
Not a fan.
Not a fan?
I'm not a fan of EKs either.
Okay.
I'm the EG guy.
No, I like it. It kind of makes it look a little bit like those old Prelude headlights.
No, it reminds me of an EG. You're more of an EG guy.
Yeah. No, you're not wrong. I definitely like the EGs more. Nice Altezza beams. Looks good with the red underglow. This thing, so cool.
Are you a big audio guy?
I used to be. Before I got into like modifying or doing any kind of like performance stuff, I was all car audio. That was the first stuff I did with cars. It was like the gateway drug into cars.
First thing I learned to do on a car.
Yeah, me too.
Radio.
Yeah. Trying to figure out ways to get a good sounding system on the cheap, and you know. It's actually a really good skill because you learn a ton about wiring and interference and stuff like that. Zenki or Koki?
Koki.
Zenki.
Koki all day.
Zenki all day. I'll fight you for that one.
Let's go, I'll take you.
No, I don't know why. I used to be Koki all day, but then I switched. It's cool. 15 with a bash bar. That's somewhat rare here. Oh, I really like the quick release jack point. That's a smart idea. I dig that. Oh, that's clean.
That's pretty.
I can see you in a 32 GDR one day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that it?
That's it. Just like that. Everyone's got to go. Like clockwork, man. Hugo's so excited. he loves police cars. Paddle car for patrol car. All right, now.
You gotta go home, but you're gonna fuck out of here.
Yeah, that's right. All right, time to bounce. So much fun cruising in the skyline. What'd you think of Daikoku? Did you like it?
No, it was sick. It was good.
It was
Good
cool?
time, yeah.
That's good. What do you about this car? Do you like this car?
This thing is a great all-around car.
Like to hear it. Just need some body work. We need to hit up your man.
Yes, back to 33 front end.
Yep. You know, I used to be on the fence about it, but I think you talked me into it.
Back 33 front end, nice paint job, and then leave it alone. That's it.
All right. Yeah. I think you sold me.
Good car. Good cruising. I see why you can get in trouble with this car. Really.
Oh, for sure. This car is dangerous. That's why it only comes out on weekends. Little cruises like this. That's it. Because it will get me in trouble. But it does make all the right noises. It really does. The sound of my people.
The next day.
Well, Spoon.
It's officially done.
It's officially done. Look at this. Both sides.
Rust free.
Rust free.
Back to OEM.
It looks so good. I can't believe how good this piece turned out, by the way.
Thank you.
This is awesome. Man, you made it look easy, I'm not gonna lie. But that was a good week's worth of work.
Smoother than I expected. A lot
Really?
of work. Look. Good.
Would you do this again if it was like your own car?
My own car, yes.
Yeah.
Don't call me to come do it for you.
Oh, man.
Unless it's a very special, cool project, don't call me.
All right. You heard him here, guys. Don't call him. But man, this came out really good. I think this worked out incredible. To be honest, I'm so glad that you were able to, one, have time to come out and do this, but also just be a part of this project. Because you know the story behind it, so it's pretty unique.
I'm grateful to be here. You guys have shown me nothing but love. So.
Thank you, man. Well, you showed this thing nothing but love. This thing is literally incredible. I know I keep saying that, but I'm just stoked. This may be the cleanest S15 in Japan right now, because this has no rust in the front, but anyways.
Now you're gonna have a lot of hours of sanding.
A lot of hours of sanding, yeah. Hopefully I can find someone to do that for me, because I hate bodywork. I don't have the patience for it. I would be terrible at bodywork if ever I had to do that for a job.
It's not hard. This is just a lot of patience.
A lot of patience, which I do not have.
Very tedious. Pay attention to the details.
Anyways, guys, I think Spoon absolutely killed this. Now that the main job is done with the abandoned S15, there's a few other things that will have to get done before it does go to the body shop, just like welding in the replacement panel we have down the bottom here where that hole is, you can see along the seal. I'm not sure if we're gonna tackle this or not. We might, I think I can get that piece.
Is it just that side?
Yeah, it's just this side. So just like deal with these sections here and then it'll go to the body shop, but otherwise that's it. Oh, and then there's just like a little bit of rust inside the trunk, like right here and right here. Common place for these things, just to where the seam is, but that we can tackle ourselves.
And we are keeping this blue.
Yeah, we are keeping it blue to some extent. But that aside, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of update of everything that's going on. Chaser's ready for Drift Matsuri. I have to kind of put a tail light in there somehow. It'll be fine, it'll be fine, don't worry about it. Bogan 32, I decided to keep the 20E in here for now. So this thing's gonna be getting a proper tune, as well as the Chaser by Tanaka-san up at Ebisu Circuit. Gonna do a little bit of a circuit tune, get this thing dialed in, feeling good. Gonna change the diff to a 4.3 so it's more peppy and we don't have to shift down to first for some of the tracks. And I've got a new power steering setup coming for it because the OEM hose kind of split and dumped fluid everywhere. But this is gonna be your whip.
Now they understand that I'm very green to driving.
Green? What does that mean?
Very new.
New, that's what that means?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
You'll be fine.
School of SAMMIT.
Yeah, sure, all right. Just like this thing's gonna be very easy to drive. It's got cut and shut knuckles, extended LCAs. There's nothing crazy about the car. It's just pretty much going to be put it in gear and go. Very straightforward.
All right, I'm trusting you.
You'll be fine. You'll just spend most of your time on school course probably.
Perfect.
And you'll come up to North every now and then, have a bit of fun. You'll love it. I'm sure you'll be driving with everyone at the end of it.
Yeah, stick a GoPro on me, see what happens.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, this thing, if you need a recap, RB20E, single cam. We put the RB30 Kelford cam in there with upgraded valve springs, G25 550, and the thing is an absolute ripper. It has a straight cut gearbox in here from Nagano Tech, and everything else is pretty much stock. We did the 5-lug conversion. Yeah. But we're going to be putting a 25 in it probably after this Mitsuru. It's going to become the Bosch Bogan edition. Daiki's S15 is on the back burner until Monday, Tuesday next week when we can kind of button everything up. But engine and trans is in. Look at that brand new CD09. It's kind of crazy also, just looking at the WagonR underneath that. But, oh, speaking of, I was talking to Yokohama and they sent me a bunch of these. AO50s. These are freaking grippy boards. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like where I push my thumb in, they are so soft. I don't know what the tread wear is actually, but I am so excited. We have, oh my God, my hand like sticks to the tire. These look awesome. I'm trying to see if there's anywhere here where it says like what tread wear it is, but they're 165/55 R14s. These are gonna be so good. I cannot wait to put these on with the VSKFs. I think it's gonna look sick. Also, these tires are gonna probably give us way quicker times than what a lot of the other tires are used in the K-Car race. Now, there is unfortunately a K-Car race happening tomorrow, but I can't obviously get the car up there. The Link ECU only just arrived for it. So we're not gonna have time as well as prepping for everything else. But these are gonna look fire with the VSKFs. Super excited. So we'll be doing a video kind of getting the Link ECU and these all mounted up and then probably going to a track to test out the car, maybe take it up to Ebisu. And I think that'll be really, really good. Something else that we're also working on behind the scenes is now that Yugo's a little older and whatnot, it's a lot easier for us to leave him with the in-laws, and May is wanting to get back in the driver's seat and redo learning how to drift again at Ebisu circuit. If you guys remember the last time we did it, it was a lot of fun, but this time I think is going to go really, really well. And that's also why I want to hurry up and get the Cresta over here from Okinawa. But all in all, you know what it's like, guys, being a car person. Lots and lots of projects, never enough time to get them done. But at least this one is good now. Well, this major part of it, at least. So Drift Mitsuri next weekend and a bunch of the homies flying in for it. We'll be probably heading up to Ebisu circuit around Tuesday, Wednesday, and that way Spoon will have a decent amount of time to kind of familiarize himself with the track, the car, get comfortable, so that he can have a really good experience for Drift Mitsuri. I'll be up there obviously driving, and I'm hoping to have my multicam system set up for another Twitch stream, so keep an eye out for that. But otherwise, that's it for today's video. The abandoned S15 pretty much has one huge thing ticked off the list. And from here, we can just keep kind of working along on it. We'll do update videos on the car, on the series, as like big changes happen. And hopefully in the next month or so, we'll have this thing rolling on the ground again. I'm excited. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. What do you want to see Spoon do in the next video? What should be something that he experiences for the first time here in Japan, because we've got a bit of time in our hands now. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
He said, son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the damned? He said, will you defeat them, your demons, and all